Hi, my name is Musonda Mumba and I'm the chair of the Global Partnership on Forest and Landscape Restoration. Where I'm standing right here is the Lake Victoria Basin. And this is the Lake Victoria. And what you can see is a flooding dynamic, changes due to climate change. Now, how do we transform the relationship that we have with nature? We have seen how climate change has changed the way we live, the way we thrive, and the way we survive. But this place was flooded. This is a 5-star hotel, and it was totally flooded in March as a result of the high rainfall patterns from the catchment area, extreme weather events, and this is the change that we want. So what is the future that we do not want? We want a future that is resilient, that is healthy, and that is really in alignment with nature. So how do we reconnect with nature? We need a transformation, look into the future, a future that's different, a future that is healthy for both man and nature. Thank you very much.